Hey, we're back with another Weld Line. I'm Jazeel here at Vector Systems. Today I'm standing with one of our ammonia flow control units that will be installed on a heat recovery steam generator. Included in this unit is a 16-inch vaporizer, two 12-inch heaters, and an 8-inch dilution air line. These components help deliver and control the ammonia air mixture throughout the system. One thing that makes this system unique is it is equipped with triple offset valves. The next step in the process is the wiring and factory acceptance that will be completed by our panel shop team. Projects like this are common for Vector Systems. We've completed about 5 to 10 of these this year, with about a 3 to 5 week completion period from the beginning. Thanks for taking a look behind the scenes at another project from Vector Systems.